Okay, it is time. We got our Lamy Safari Special Edition colors for 2021. They come in the recognizable Lamy box with the cutouts here and the name. And I always find I like the Lamy box that I like this texture that they have going on their boxes. Okay, and inside the box, you're gonna find your little bit of a Lamy insert here with your warranty policy and some contact information. So that is handy. And then this little cardboard insert that matches the box has your pin clips to it. You just slide it off, and then you have your Lamy. And the new Lamy colors, as I said, this one is the Terra. This is the Terra, and it has the black trim, which I'm a big fan of that combo. I love that they added the black trim with this special edition color. So they have the iconic Lamy clip, which I still love. I still love it. They do have the cartridge included here. When you get your pin, you just take off this little cardboard circlet. It's to protect your, basically to keep your pin stable while shipping, and so it won't go ahead and use your cartridge. So I said then get a look at the pin here. So you've got your traditional Safari design with the snap closure. You can see that work. The nib matches the black trim, which is great. I really like it. A little bit of gold writing, Lamy, and the nib size will be on your nib there. The grip, known to be comfortable, a great design for this. I feel like this is a great section design, very comfortable to hold, and it gives you a firm grip. It's got the little black ring here between the section and the barrel. You've got your ink viewing window here, so you can tell, you can see your ink. So when you're ready to use it, you just take your ink cartridge and you're gonna pop it into the nib unit here. And then once you've done that, you put your barrel back on, and you'll be able to see, once your ink's in there, you can see the ink levels right here. The barrel also has facets, which make it easy to get a hold of your pen. I like it. In addition to the ink window and the facets on the barrel, you will also find that the Lamy name is you will find the Lamy name here on one of the facets. You can see here, it's on the flat side, one of the flat edges, and it fills up the entire flat edge. I like that it fills up that entire section. That's nice. Very small on the bottom of the pin, it says Germany, because these pins are made in Germany. So this is a quick look at your Lamy Safari Special Edition colors. And this is the Terra, this is your Savannah, and it also has the black trim. And for me, the colors are great, but the black trim in combination with the 2021 Special Edition colors, that made it for me. That made it a go for me. Okay, so if you want more information, pinchley.com.